Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care. Hey, today is January the 21st, 2020. And today what I'm doing is giving an estimate on, but let's just look at it, this here property here. They want an estimate on cleaning this here up. So let's just take a look at this here. Okay, this here is the property. I was just called today about cleaning this here up. So I'm walking along, taking a look at it, see what it's all involved. And on this, they want to get it done by Thursday. Man, it's overgrown too. Wow. Some deep stuff. Wow. Look at this, y'all. Man. This stuff here is dead. My goodness. Tell them what's up in here. Look at here. It's got debris. I guess it was something like a house or something other was in here at one time. Another, but the grass, as we can see, is, oh man, it's way overgrown. Look at this. Golly. Man. There's a brick there. Man, this stuff is thick. Looking at this, y'all, this kind of stuff people call you on, and you never know what's all involved in, trying to clean up some property like this here. And this here has a lot of debris in it, and old cinder blocks, and wow. And they want a lot of this here stuff removed. And man, just looking at this here stuff, y'all, and they just called me today and talking about it need to be done by Thursday evening, which is possible. That can happen, but man, I'm just looking at it, y'all. I don't know if I want to take it on. Here's something else right here, old debris. Look at this. Wow. There's some more debris. Huh. Wow. Yeah, this here is definitely a large property to clean up. Now I can do it. This here gonna take this here would take some time. It's like, man, this is crunching my schedule. See, that's up. This is scary too, because you don't know what kind of see, there's some cable run. It's a lot of debris in here. It's this here's stick, and it's got a lot of stuff in it. It's a lot of debris in here. Yeah. Pipes. Wow. Yeah, this property is not clean, and it's very difficult. Just looking at it, it's thick, it's overgrown, and I can't say when it's been cut. Last time they ever cut this here. See, there's some more lines right in here. Looks like that goes to I guess some type of ground and electrical connection, but looking at this one here, man, you know, it's got a lot of, I mean, you just can't bring more in here. You just looking at this here, see all of this here just tear up more. There's so many obstacles and stuff in here, bricks, concrete, cables, pipes, another electrical connection right there. You don't know what you're gonna run into. And when you're working with something like this, you got to be very careful. I'm just looking at it, and I know, yeah, they want that. They want the debris hauled off and all, and cinder blocks. It's right here. Some more stuff. This stuff is thick. Dang. Look at this. Man, y'all see like, you hear that? Okay. Man. So yeah, this here, it's not some clean property to work with. It's you gotta clean all this up. I mean, you can just tear up a good mower trying to mow this here property and being all kinds of this is not good. This is not good. I'm thinking about it would take me more. It would take me a full day just to get in here to clean this up. I'm looking at it, and I don't know, it's scary. Now you see that tree over there where it's leaning? There's two trees. There's a pine tree and there's another tree. Now to work over in that area, that's dangerous. 'Cause that tree is dry. And all you need is a little wind and it may fall over on you while you're out here working. So I don't know about that. This here's this here, oh god, it's stuff all over the property, and just looking at this, y'all, just looking at it, I mean, it would take a full day, and I mean, that's even if I bring somebody in to help me clean this up, it's too dangerous, because you don't know what's in there. Spiders, snakes, rats. Yeah, I don't know. I'm undecided on this. I'm gonna have to think about this if I really want to mess with this. Because I'd have to try to do this tomorrow, and their forecast is that it's going to rain, and they want to have this all taken care of by Thursday evening. And it's just so much in here. This is a dangerous property. Yeah, looking at that one, y'all, I don't know about this one. I don't know. Tell y'all what. I'm gonna post a video and y'all leave me some comments. What y'all think? I should pass on this, or should I take it on? And I know, ask for a good rate on it, but you know how that's gonna go. You're gonna price out. You can price it out. A lot of them ain't gonna want to pay. And this here. That's a good, but looking at that and at the shape that's in and all this overgrown and getting all of that off, that's a good $1,500 to $2,000 just to get in here and tackle with that, because it's overgrown. It hasn't been cut in a while, so you need to pay for all the times that it hasn't been cut, and that's the reason why the price would be higher. I mean, that stuff is just overgrown. I mean, no, and this is one of these. They just called me today. I just got this call about an hour ago, and they gave me the address to come over and check this property out, and I'm like, this is 2020. I don't think I'm no. We're looking at it, y'all, and I'm giving y'all a good view of what I'm dealing with on this one. But I don't know. It's, I don't know. But I'm gonna take a picture, and I'm gonna send it back to the real estate agent, and we'll go from there. I'll quote him a price. Yeah, I will quote. I'm gonna post this video, and I want y'all to tell me on a realistic what would be a fair price to even tackle something like this. And I'll even bring in some help. But just looking at, yeah, so what do y'all say on this here property? Is it what would y'all do? Would y'all take it on, or would you pass on it? Just pass on it, because it's a lot of work in this one. All right, y'all. All right, I'll think about it, but I'm gonna post this. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this one. Okay, stay tuned.